In the last video, we took a look at the Performance Reports section of Google AdSense, and we saw some basic information such as page views and estimated earnings. In this video, we're going to take a more detailed look at our performance reports, and I'm going to show you how you can filter some information out. So let's go ahead and head back to the Performance Reports section of Google AdSense. And from here, I actually want to look at some more detailed information about one specific day. So I'm going to change my date filter in the top right to yesterday, so we have a whole day's worth of data. So when I change that to yesterday, you can see we have all the basic information that we saw in the last video. But over on the left side of our screen, we have all of these different filters that we can use that I've mentioned a few times throughout the course. So we can view data about our custom channels. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Remember, I said if we create a custom channel, we'll be able to go into Google Analytics and look at the data specific to that custom channel. So we have a few custom channels here in our sample data, and we can look at the performance of them. We can see that the InPost Square One custom channel is our top performing custom channel in terms of earnings, and it also looks like it's our top performing channel in terms of revenue per thousand page views. So we could take a look at that custom channel and maybe see what type of advertisements we're displaying in there and try and get them to display more on our website. Because if we look at InPost Square 2, which is another custom channel, the RPM is almost a third of what InPost Square 1 is. So whatever we're doing right with the InPost Square 1 custom channel, we could try and duplicate that with other advertisements on our site. Now, you're not just limited to custom channels with these filters. You can also look at any URL channels that you've set up. If you're using multiple websites, you could compare and contrast between the data of the different websites that you have here in AdSense. We could also look at the countries section. So we can click on this area, and we can see that most of our visitors are coming from the United States. How about our RPM, though? Look at Australia. Our Australian visitors are earning us the most revenue per visit. Not sure why that's happening, but maybe we could tailor more of our content towards Australian users to try and increase our revenue. So as you can see, using the filters on the left side of your screen here in the Performance Reports section of Google AdSense allows you to drill down to a more detailed view of the performance of your ads and improve and optimize your ads for the future to increase your overall revenue.